All right, so I want you guys to check out the two boxes here. The little two boxes that I have, all right? This is a Kobalt. This is a US General, all right? This one you can buy in certain hardware stores, Lowe's. I don't know about Home Depot, but some certain places, Amazon, so forth, bunch of places. Very durable. I love the box itself. To be honest with you, when I saw it, I thought it was going to be too small, but it's perfect size for where I need it for. Now, this one right here, I just got it. And this, I got it from Harbor Freight. Believe it or not. Now, this box, it's identical to it. Identical to the bone. Identical. But, except for certain features here, right? Now, I like the grip here on this one. Don't get me wrong. Stainless steel. Nice little grip. This is cheapo grip, all right? But what the grip makes up for, I'm going to show you guys, all right? Inside the top, they give you the little rubber mesh kind of thing, all right? And this is for tools will move around. This one does not have it. It's as is, all right? So, advantages? Pretty impressive with that. Now, they do have these little legs here. If you guys can see that, little rubber legs on the top. I'll show you guys a little rubber leg. So, you come down, and this one doesn't. So this one makes noise, muffles the noise. So that's another advantage. All right. Size, they have identical size boxes. All right. Let me move this a little bit more over here. Identical size. All right, this opens up a little bit more, but it's the same size. Comparison, side by side, on top of each other, same size. This one was a Harbor Freight for $18. This one, I'm not going to mention the name, but it's 3 times more or twice as more, depending on where you buy it. All right, does 1, 2, same. Look at that. But this one actually has, a rubber mesh on the bottom that I like. Look at that. That one opens up all the way in the back. Has no safety. It opens all the way to the back. This one stays open here. That's pretty much it. Not a bad deal, to be honest with you. I'm actually going to go buy another one. Now, I like a lot of things about this thing because very compact to fit in just the things I need. You don't need to throw in all these tools and so forth. Love this box, to be honest with you, but now I think I'm going to jump at ship